Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using the platform. Simpli.fi is a demand-side platform, or DSP, specifically engineered for localized programmatic advertising. Its unique approach combines the precision of location-based targeting with the scalability of programmatic buying, enabling advertisers to connect with their desired audiences in highly specific geographic areas. This platform offers a range of targeting options that go beyond simple geofencing. It allows you to target specific points of interest, designated market areas, DMAs, and even custom-drawn shapes on a map. Think of it as laser-focused advertising, delivering your message to the right people, in the right place, at the right time. One of the key advantages of Simpli.fi is its addressable geofencing capability. This feature lets you target individual households based on their physical addresses, providing an unparalleled level of granularity for your campaigns. Imagine being able to reach potential customers at their homes, without the waste associated with broader targeting methods. This precision targeting also enables more efficient budget allocation, ensuring your ad spend is maximized for the best possible return. Furthermore, Simpli.fi offers robust reporting and analytics tools that provide valuable insights into campaign performance. You can track key metrics like impressions, clicks, conversions, and cost per acquisition, allowing you to measure the effectiveness of your campaigns and make data-driven optimizations. The platform's reporting dashboard presents this information in a clear and concise manner, making it easy to understand and act upon. Simpli.fi's transparent approach allows you to see exactly where your budget is being spent and how your campaigns are performing, giving you the control you need to succeed in the complex world of digital advertising. Its sophisticated targeting and robust reporting capabilities make it a powerful tool for any advertiser looking to refine their localized campaigns and improve their bottom line. Consider exploring Simpli.fi to see how it can elevate your programmatic advertising strategy. The link, again, is in the description.